I usually say warm-heartedness. Warm-heartedness. You see, that's real beauty. Even animal appreciate that. Oh, then you see beauty, physical level, some different color or something. You see, at a certain level, some attraction. But these are not very stable. Oh, the very beautiful face. You see, if you see that person, or you say become friend, or after few days or few weeks, then negative emotion come. Then that as a beautiful face is no longer any effect. Real beauty here, compassion, or karuna, or sort of or the sense of loving kindness. And then automatically the face express the genuine or happy attitude, and it become very easily become very close anyone, including your enemy. Keep here you see sense of concern. Even sensible enemy also appreciate like that. So real beauty is inner beauty. That is very important. Okay.